Okay, here is Let It Be, page 168 in the Ultimate Guitar Songbook, with strumming. Let's make your G first. Take your third finger all the way to the 6th string, 3rd fret, second finger, the 5th string, 2nd fret, and pinky all the way back to the 1st string, 3rd fret. And then when you go to C, these two fingers, 2 and 3, they move over 1. You go instead to the 2nd string, back to G, these two fingers, over 1, pinky all the way across, back to C, these two fingers, over there, C chord, back to G, these two fingers, 5th and 6th strings, pull your pinky all the way to the 1st string, these two, back to C again, and back to G, and back to C, back to G. Rest your hand for a minute. Just take it off, let it rest, hang it down, shake it a little bit loose. Let some fresh blood get into those muscles. And let's try G to D. Again, these two fingers, they go all the way across to the 1st and 2nd strings. I know it's hard to see them on the video. This goes to the 3rd string. And then he gets out of the way, we're going back to G. These two fingers shoot all the way across. Pinky comes back. That's our G. And then go to D. Pinky gets out of the way. These two fingers all the way across. He finishes the D chord triangle. And then out of the way, these two go back to G. Practice going back and forth a little bit. G to D. To G to D. Okay, here's Let It Be with strumming. Every chord gets 2 strums, except for one I think gets 4 in there somewhere. Kind of watch and play along. When I find myself in times of trouble, E minor. Mother Mary, C, comes to me, G. Speaking words, D, of wisdom, C. Let it be, G. Another G. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom. Let it be, G. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. Living in the world agree, there will be an answer. Let it be. For though they may be parted, there is still a chance that they will see. There will be an answer. Let it be. 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 There will be an answer. Let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom. Let it be.